Hey Milliger fans, it's Kara Kading here, and we have a brand new workshop. I don't want you to miss out on this because this is our last design workshop for the year. So this is two options that you have. This is going to be on Tuesday, December 5th at our Racine store. It's at 6 p.m. And you can design two different wreaths, okay? You get an idea of, this is the Grinch one, and this one is $65. So you get the wreath, and then we teach you how to decorate it. Pretty cute, right, with the bow. And of course, we've got the Grinch in there. Is super cute. And then the other option is a gnome. So that one is right here. And this one is $60, okay? So we'll teach you how to create this awesome wreath. This is an almost real wreath. So once you make it, you can save this one and bring it out for next year, or, you know, redress it up. I always like to freshen things up for a new year. But it is yours to make and take and bring home. Hang it anywhere you wish, or maybe you want to give it as a gift. This is an awesome workshop to come with friends and create this together because there's wine included, okay? So it's a fun night out. Bring your friends, bring your family, create one of these wreaths. This is the gnome one. This is the Grinch one, $60 and $65. All the details are on our website. You can get your tickets right there or stop in either location to purchase your tickets, but you don't want to miss it. It's Tuesday, December 5th, 6 p.m. at our Racine store, and then these are your two options. Aren't they cute? What's your favorite? You can make them both if you want. All right, so we will see you soon, and can't wait to decorate with you.